Hey guys, FlightSimX ATC here with another unboxing of the Hogan Boeing 777-300ER Worldliner Tour. Probably one of my favorite aircraft ever. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Alright, here's what it looks like when you get it initially out of the box. You have those awesome looking stripes, and you got all the places it's ever visited. And this is actually the number it was at the Paris Air Show a few years back. They brought it to the Paris Air Show, and it was Boeing's official aircraft on display, and it was really cool. So let's go ahead and put it together. Alright, let's give you guys a look at what is inside the box. You got the two wings with engines already attached. The landing gear, if you'd like to include them. I probably will elect to put them on. You have the plain Jane looking stand, your stabilizers, and your vertical stabilizer. So pretty basic setup. Let's go ahead and put everything together then. So while I'm doing this, I'll kind of narrate. This plane was actually transferred into Japan Airlines, I think, because Boeing no longer really needed this aircraft, so they transferred. They actually gave it to a company that was waiting on 777-300s. Alright, let's put the tail on. Alright, looks like a great model. Been waiting for this thing for a pretty long time now. Oh, perfect. If you want to display this particular model in flight mode, there's your cover-ups for the bottom of the model. Alright, let's take a look. This thing is by far probably one of my favorite aircraft of all time. Let's give you guys a close look at it. It's probably one of my favorite aircraft I've ever seen. It just looks really cool. And of course you got the also legendary GE90-115B engines. Give you guys another view of it. Pretty big model. It's actually kind of heavy when I took it out of the box, so prepare for that. But I do love this model overall. It'll definitely be my favorite aircraft in my collection. Maybe my second favorite due to my United plane that I have. So other than that, I think that just about wraps up this review. I would definitely pick this up if you're a 777 fan. It's back in stock at the airplane shop, but I got it there from there for Christmas. So take a look at it. Enjoy, guys. Take it easy. Flight SimX ATC signing off.
Everything's so bright.